Hello students, today we are going to learn some formulas from equation of a line in space. First one, equation of a line through a point and parallel to a given vector B. There are two types of equations. First one, vector equation is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. And the another equation is the Cartesian equation of the line is x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. If we have two lines with the direction ratios a1 comma b1 comma c1 and a2 comma b2 comma c2, then if you want to verify if two lines are perpendicular, then this condition is supposed to be satisfied. That is a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 is equal to 0. If the condition is satisfied means two lines are perpendicular. If two lines are parallel, then A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If this condition is satisfied means two lines are parallel. Next, how do you find out angle? By using two lines, we can find the angle, that is cos theta is equal to modulus of b1 vector dot b2 vector divided by magnitude of b1 vector into magnitude of b2 vector. If you want to find angle between Cartesian form, this is the formula, that is cos theta is equal to modulus of a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Next, if you want to find the shortest distance between two lines, this is the general formula, that is d is equal to modulus of b1 vector cross b2 vector dot a2 vector cross a1 vector whole divided by magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector. And if you want to find the shortest distance between Cartesian form, this is the general formula, that is d is equal to modulus of determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 whole divided by square root of b1 into c1 minus b2 into c1 whole square plus c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 whole square plus c1 into b2 minus a2 into b1 to the whole square. We will learn some problems from exercise 11.2, question number 3. Show that the line through the points 4, 7, 8 and 2, 3, 4 is parallel to the line through the points minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 1, 2, 5. Here we are going to verify the lines are parallel. To verify, we are going to find the direction ratios of these points first. So these points you consider as x1, y1 and z1, and also you consider these points as A, B, C and D. then the direction ratios of AB are we know the formula, that is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1, that is x2 and this is y2 and this is z2. So x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 4 comma 3 minus 7 comma 4 minus 8, that is 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, and 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Therefore, the direction ratios of AB are minus 2, minus 4, minus 4. Now we are going to find the direction ratios of CD. These points you consider as x1, y1 and z1, x2, y2 and z2. Now substitute, that is x2 minus x1, 1 minus minus are plus, 1 comma 2 minus minus are plus 2 comma 5 minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore, the direction ratios of CD are 2, 4, and 4. Then we are going to verify the direction ratios
are parallel.
AB is parallel to CD if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C. So this direction ratios we consider as A1, B1 and C1, A2, B2 and C2. Now substituting this result, that is minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 4 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 4. We can cancel it. That is minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This condition is satisfied. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Next question, question number 4. Find the equation of the line which passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and is parallel to the vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So by using the point and the vector, we are going to find the equation of the line. Here the line is passes through 1, 2, 3. Then the position vector through A vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and B vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. We know the point which passes through point A and is parallel to B vector is given by R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector, where lambda is constant. Now substitute the value, that is R vector is equal to, in place of A vector you substitute, that is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda of 3I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap, which is required equation of the line. Next question, question number 5. Find the equation of the line in vector and in Cartesian form that passes through the point with position vector 2I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap and is in the direction I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. By using line and position vector, we are going to find the equation of vector form and equation of Cartesian form. Here it is given the line is passes through the point with the position vector, that is A vector is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. We know that a line through a point with the position vector A and is parallel to B vector is given by the equation R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector, where lambda is a constant. Now substitute the value, that is R vector is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda of I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, which is required equation of the line in vector form. Now we are going to find the equation of a line in Cartesian form. That is R vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. We can write it as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda of I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Simplify, you will get 2 plus lambda of I cap plus of minus 1 plus 2 lambda of j cap plus 4 minus lambda of k cap. Now we are going to equate both the sides, I cap separately, j cap separately and k cap separately. X is equal to 2 plus lambda. Lambda keep as it is 2, you can take it other side, you will get x minus 2 is equal to lambda. Then 1 you can take it other side, you will get x minus 2 by 1 is equal to lambda. Now we are going to equate j cap, that is y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 lambda. Minus 1 we can take it other side, y plus 1 is equal to 2 lambda. If you take 2 in the other side, you get y plus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda. Now we can equate k cap, that is z is equal to 4 minus lambda. 4 we can take it the other side, we get minus z minus 4 is equal to minus lambda. Minus 1 we can take it the other side, we get z minus 4 by minus 1 is equal to lambda. We can write it as in Cartesian form, that is x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y plus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 4 by minus 1, which is required equation of a line in Cartesian form. Next question, question number 6. Find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5 and parallel to the line given by x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 divided by 6. Here it is given that the line passing through the point minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5 and is parallel to x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6. So by using this data we are going to find the equation, that is Cartesian equation of the line. By using this line we are going to find the direction ratios first. Therefore the direction ratios of the line x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6, or direction ratio, that is 3, 5 and 6. 3, 5 and 6. These points considered as A, B and C. Already we know that the equation of the line is passing through the point x1, y1, z1. So these points are considered as x1 and y1 and z1 with the direction ratios A, B, C is given by x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. If we substitute these values in this result, we will get the Cartesian equation of the line. That is x minus minus are plus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus y1, that is 4 by b, that is 5 is equal to z minus z1, that is minus 5, so minus minus are plus 5 by c is 6. X plus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 5 by 6, which is required the Cartesian equation of the line.
Thank you, students.
Next question, question number 7. The Cartesian equation of the line is x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. Then write its vector form. Actually, we are going to find the vector form by using Cartesian form. So given equation we write as this, that is x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. The given line is passing through the point, that is 5 and minus 4 and plus 6. 5 comma minus 4 comma 6. Then the position vector of the point is A vector is equal to 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap. This is the position vector of the given point. And also direction ratios of the given line are 3, 7 and 2. The direction ratios of the given line are 3, 7 and from equation of Cartesian we can find the direction of vector, that is B vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 2 k cap. We know that the line passing through the position vector A vector with the direction, and in the direction vector B vector is given by the equation R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. Then now substitute the values, that is R vector is equal to 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap plus lambda of 3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 2 k cap, which is required equation of a line in vector form. Next question, question number 8. Find the vector and Cartesian equations of the lines that passes through the origin and 5 comma minus 2 comma 3. In this question, a line is passing through origin at the point, that is 5 comma minus 2 comma 3. The required line is passes through origin. Therefore, its position vector is 0 vector, and the direction ratios of the line passes through origin and 5 comma minus 2 comma 3 are. We know the formula. So by using 2 points, if we want to find direction ratio, we know the formula, that is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. Then 5 minus 0 comma minus 2 minus 0 and 3 minus 0, that is 5 comma minus 2 and 3. Then the line is parallel to the vector, that is B vector is equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Then the equation of the line in vector form through the point with the position vector A vector and parallel to B vector is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. Now substitute the value, that is R vector is equal to A vector is 0 vector plus lambda of B vector is 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Then the equation of the line passing through the point x1 comma y1 comma z1 and direction ratio a comma b comma c is given by x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Then the equation of the required line in Cartesian form is x minus 0 by 5 is equal to y minus 0 by minus 2 is equal to z minus 0 by 3. That is x by 5 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to z minus pi, which is required equation. Thank you, students.